intensifying, so be certain to monitor. Thunderstorm warning for western Georgetown County in northeastern South Carolina, Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Gordington near Sanford, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Georgetown, King Street, Andrews, Hemingway, Rems, Cades, Oatland, Nesmith, Indiantown, Sanford, Plantersville, Outland, Earl, Hebron, Morrisville, Henry, Salters, Trio, Warsaw, and Gordon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The following is a special weather statement for the following county,